Hello everyone. So here is an NSS lab project. It is hacking caeser cipher using brute force attack, and we are submitted by Ankur, Abhishek, and Bhaskar Kundu. So caeser cipher is one of the earliest known and simplest cipher, and in cryptography caeser cipher is also known as caeser cipher, shift cipher, and it is a type of substitution cipher in which each letter in the plain text is replaced by a letter some fixed number of position down to the alphabet. So to demonstrate that, we have shown the example here, like for the A is replaced by D, B is replaced by E. So it's the left shift by the three values. Like for example, C would be replaced by F, D would be replaced by H. And this encryption can also be represented by using modular arithmetic, and like for A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, so we can number the alphabets like A to Z by 25, and here the encryption method E of x is equal to x plus n mod 26, and to decrypt it D of x is equal to x minus n mod of 26. And brute force attack is an attack which is basically an exhaustive key search and cryptanalytic attack that can be used in theory to use against encrypted data. Basically, it is used to hack the encrypted data and get the information, sensitive information data. And brute force attacks are worked by calculating very possible combination that could make up a password and testing it to see if it is the correct password. So it basically consists of systematically checking all possible keys and passwords, and it's all calculate the worst case and best case, and calculate the complexity of the password. Basically, what type of combination, ASCII character and EBCDIC can be used in the passwords, and basically cipher key with n bits can be broken in worst case time proportion to 2 power n and average time of half of that. So the password length increases the amount of time, and on average to find the correct password increases exponentially. It will increase every time the hacker tries to hack the password. So breaking caeser cipher. So breaking the scheme is even more straightforward, since there are only 26 alphabets in the English language. They can be tested to turn in brute force attack, and decrypting the caeser cipher text with that key, looking at the output and correct key, then moving on to the next key. So basically it is done by brute force attacks, and it is a sophisticated hack, but through sheer effort the caeser cipher can be broken. Like for example, message GUVF VFZL FRPERGZR FFNTR. So we can see that the letters like A, B, C, D, these are the example of the key which can be used to generate the message. For key, like for example, it has the 4 key in range, length and letters translated. These are the demonstration of that how the process is going to take place to hack the message. If symbols and letters, num is equal to letters dot find symbols, this is the formula, and num is equal to num minus key. And if the number is less than c, so the number will be calculated by num plus len into letters, and translated is equal to translated plus letter not num. So it is a basic formula mentioned here. Or if all this method don't work, then there is another method that translated is equal to translated plus symbol, and then it will print the key and the string and the translated key. So for example, here we can see that message is GUVF VFZL FRPERGZR FFNTR. So here are 25 generated key, as 25 alphabets are there in the English letter. English vocabulary, sorry. So here we can see that GUVF VFZL FRPERGZR FFNTR. The next key generated is the letter which is just behind the above mentioned letter. For G, F comes before G, T comes before U, U comes before V, and E comes before F. So this is the string of for starting 4 letter, and then we can see U, E, Y, K, and the next all the keys which are generated here are just basically the previous letters of the generated previous generated key. So it can be hacked, and its complexity is omega n squared, so it can be calculated, but it will take very time. And thank you.